Assembly ideas for pre-primary school. Compare for assembly. Assign a teacher for anchoring the assembly. She needs to be well aware of the flow of the assembly and also holds a list of participant student name list. Anchoring teacher has to prepare for the complete script for the speech. The script should start from getting greetings, introduction speech till the thank note. The script should be prepared well in advance. Assembly should start with greetings and then followed by prayer. You can use this prayer or you can use your school common prayer. Thought for the day goes like this. Thought for the day for 11th November 2022 Friday is man needs difficulties in life because they are necessary to enjoy the success. Said by APJ Abdul Kalam. Followed by word of the day. Word of the day is serendipity. Serendipity is luck that takes the form of finding valuable. You can, for word of the day, you can use English or any other language you wish. You can choose Hindi word of the day, Tamil word of the day, or whichever language you want. Planner for assembly continues like this. You can ask a student to say a moral story or give a speech on a given topic. You can ask a student to say fun facts or amazing facts. Then list of special days of the week, and then ask a student to give an energizer or warm up song. Then the whole team can birthday wish, end with national anthem.